Hey, welcome back to yet another episode of the Corporate Gift Show, where we bring to you a new, exciting and interesting product gifting idea every single day. I am Shubhra Acharya and I am the COO at OffiNeeds.com. And today I have with me a do-it-yourself hot chocolate kit from Smoor. It comes with 5 assorted callets of chocolate, where you can bring your entire family or friends together to have a hot chocolate party. This product comes with 5 different varieties of chocolate callets in them. One packet makes 1 mug. So it's 5 people sorted for your hot chocolate party. It comes with a milk chocolate, white chocolate, dark chocolate 70%, dark chocolate 54%, and an Ecuador 70.4% dark chocolate. Let's dive right into what we've got in here. That's how the product looks on the inside, absolutely beautiful, and you don't have to rely on anything other than just getting milk from a store and you're sorted. Here are the 5 different varieties of the chocolate callets that we have. We even have 1 mug that's there ready to use, and it even comes with a whisker of its own so that you don't have to get your spoons out or find any cutlery in your house. Open a packet, put it right in, pour 250 ml of piping hot milk and stir it in, and you're ready to go. Isn't this an amazingly interesting product gifting idea? If you want to engage your employees by getting them together with their family or with their friends and gift something that's very engaging for people, then this is the perfect product for you to be gifting. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Do like, share and comment below. Do visit us on www.thecorporategiftshow.com and visit OffiNeeds on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter and YouTube for a new corporate gifting idea every single day. See you in the next episode.